Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you're here and liking and subscribing and sharing and commenting down below to the #1 most trusted source in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology news and XRP insider and influencer on social media. This is Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, where we're built on truth and integrity, and something we've been warning about and been telling you that this price was going to come way down. And now you can see the fruits of our labor, the technical analysis that we use and incorporate as one of our baselines in our probability-based system that we use with news and information and the technicals and the price and the lawsuit. It's a part of our basket of goods that we use in our model to influence the way we believe the overall market's going to go. And this thing is coming down and coming down fast. And it is now officially given back at current price more than 100%. You can see the lowest area. Every time I forget to do this, because then that shit, it always seems to conveniently come up. But from the lowest part of that initial pump, right at that candle, was about right there. And at current price, I don't know where we're at current price. I'm zoomed out too far. At current price, we are below it. We've actually, if you bought right here, right before the pump, right there, you are now currently losing money. And all the YouTube shysters and fleecers and heisters that are out there were celebrating, calling the next bull market when we had a 95% one-day pump. And even the whole way down, the signals and the misinformation, the manipulation by the criminal gangsters that has sophisticatedly orchestrated this pump to line up with the news, to line up with the technicals, and to line up with the judge decision to fleece, heist, and shice at a degree that hasn't been seen since the great FTX collapse, since the debacle of Celsius, since the snake oil salesman that was B-Connect back in 2018. But most of you don't know anything about B-Connect and the Big Connect guy, because you weren't involved in crypto back then. You only got involved when the price pumped last time, because the dirty little secret is 95 to 99% of the people in the sphere, in the retail trader, are only here because they think they're going to get rich and going to get rich quick, because they watch some shyster and some paid promoter on YouTube that talked them in to the get rich quick scheme. And that's the only reason they're here. They don't know anything else that's ever been going on in the market. And thus, you don't know anything about BitConnect. But all that lined up together and was orchestrated flawlessly by the criminal gangsters and the market manipulators that have infiltrated the United States government, the Federal Reserve, and the world banking system, misread and sent you out false signals. You ate up in the algorithm the charlatan channels that they had preloaded, preset, and ready to fire on the day of the pump. And then you sat there and watched it all day. Watch the price go up. Watch the video. Watch the price go up. Watch the short. Watch the price continue to hit 90 cents. Watch another paid promoter and fleece heister and shyster, and you bought big. Up here to the guys that bought down there on the recent dump and sold that to you and made a one-bagger in 1 hour. And they knew better, and they knew to get out. And even the whole way down, those same shyster stations haven't understood. They thought we were going up still. We were going up still. We were going up still. Finally here, they had to admit something's wrong here, and the price is probably going to continue to come down. And we've been telling you, we've been targeting this 31 cents after we make an initial attempt to hold support at that critical 37-cent level. We think we're coming into this orange trading zone a la last night of defense to the shithouse, eventually coming into this VP volume indicator. And I know it seems harsh. I know it seems like it can't happen and unbelievably not likely, but I think we're going to breach and break and fall through the VP volume indicator. But don't let that discourage you. Don't let that make you lose hope. In XRP, it's just a momentary step back in this part of time in the history that has to take place. We have to have capitulation. We have to flush out all the weak hands, like I've been telling you. Like, subscribe, and share.